You can find popular places on Snapchat by using Snap Map. And here's a simple guide on doing that. Open your Snapchat application on your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your specific account. And swipe down from the camera screen or tap the location map icon in the bottom. You need to now identify the hotspots. On the Snap Map, look for different colored heat maps. The blue areas indicate some activity and the red area shows very popular and busy location. Tap on the hotspot to view snaps from that area. Go through the snaps to browse businesses, restaurants, and attractions and look for the locations with the snaps posted, as these are usually popular hangout spots. And you can also use the popular or trending filters to search for it. Tap on the search bar in the top and then enter the keywords that are popular, trending, or specific locations, example like cafes near me. And you can also search for specific categories like restaurants, clubs, or parks. Some locations may have public stories such as those for concerts, events, or sport games. And if you find business or event with an active story, it's currently a hotspot. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.